This video review is based on price, quality, performance, warranty, brand trust, after sales and service, reusability, familiarity and easy to operate. The Performance Series enclosures are designed to provide you with a professional quality network installation at a value price. They are simple to assemble and will fit your AO-compliant 19 inches rack-mountable equipment properly and securely. This 600mm depth cabinet with 12U of rack space by NavePoint is part of the Performance Series and can be wall-mounted or self-standing. It has removable, locking side panels for easy access, an L-shaped spring pin for fast door opening direction changes, and built-in fans to keep your equipment cool. Made of high-quality SBCC cold-rolled steel. Comes flat-packed and requires some assembly. Kindly see the description for this product link. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe.